Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey and today I am going to be giving you actual commercial space tour of Kalpataru Summit by Kalpataru. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the main gate of the commercial space we are going to be entering from. You can also have a look at the actual tower. Also have a look at the neighborhood, guys. Yeah, right there is the main gate. Also have a look at the neighborhood, which you will be able to see from your commercial tower. So guys, as you can see, I'm standing right inside the actual lobby. The construction is still ongoing, as you can see. In this video, we are going to be covering the following points, which includes project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers, and many more. But before moving ahead, let me also give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't have to worry because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project will be constructed on a land parcel of 1.23 acres consisting of a single tower with ground plus 33 floors. Talking about the exact connectivity of this project is located bang on LBS Road, Mulund West. As you can see, this road right here leads you to Bhandup. You may also have a look at the neighborhood. And this side of the road leads you to Thane. Talking about the exact connectivity, so this project is located at LBS Road, as I mentioned, with upcoming metro station at a distance of 1 to 2 minutes, Eastern Express Highway at a distance of 5 to 7 minutes, and GMLR at a distance of 3 to 4 minutes. Talking about amenities, this project has all the necessary amenities which a commercial space need, which includes in cafeteria, a open lounge with a carpet area of 7,600 square feet, pocket terrace, and many more. Are you also planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I have got a strong recommendation for you. Housey के Rights of Home Buyer series जरूर देखें. A lot of buyers are unaware of what their actual rights are. For example, आपने टोकन अमाउंट देके बिल्डर से कोई घर बुक कर लिया है, बट अब आप कैंसिल करना चाहते हो, तो लीगली बिल्डर कितने पैसे डिडक्ट कर सकता है, आपका ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Secondly, let's say possession के बाद कोई भी construction या leakage related issue आता है, so what liability does the builder hold? We have made you understand all of this in very easy and simple understandable language. So next time when you plan to buy a home in Mumbai, you go through this series. ये series का link आपको ऊपर I button या नीचे description box में मिल जाएगा. Now talking about the carpet area of this commercial spaces, so it's going to be ranging from 465 square feet to 973 square feet. So talking about the booking process, our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the complete project details. We'll also help you by showing you the actual commercial space. We'll also help you with the payment and EMI scheme. And then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the booking amount. The booking amount is going to be 10% of the agreement value. So everyone, this was the commercial space tour of Kalpataru Summit located at LBS Road, Mulund. To get more information about this amazing property, you need to download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, also have a look at the icon button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.